Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, I'm Sambalina, and today I am going to do this look for you. It's a little bit 90s, a little bit porn star, a little bit Pam Anderson Playboy. The shirt that I'm wearing was created by my friend Alicia. She is the founder of the company Be a Bimbo. If you don't know what that is, definitely check them out. I love their products, but even more than that, I love her message. I thought it would be great to do this as my first tutorial back to YouTube. And it's just a nice black smoky eye, as you can see, and a super glossy nude lip. If you want to show that playful side of yourself or just want to watch me getting ready, just keep on watching and keep your eyes peeled because I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out soon. Alright, I love you. I'm going to start by doing my eyebrows, and for that I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Blonde and Taupe, and yeah, I'll just get to it. Dada, could you pop on the air conditioner maybe?
Sure.
It's super hot. Thank you. And then I'll just clean it up with some Shape Tape. I just got these new brushes today from P. Louise, and they seem really amazing, so I'm going to try one of them out. Oh my god. This brush is amazing. For eye base, I'm going to use the P. Louise base. This is my absolute favorite. For my highlight, I always use the white Sugarpill Tako. That's another thing I love about like the early 2000s smoky eye is they always had a bright highlight or even sometimes a shimmery highlight. Okay, so I know with smoky eyes a lot of people say you should use a transition color, but I'm going to go for the more stark just black and white. For my black I'm going to be using the Belle Jorden palette. I adore Belle Jorden, and this palette is actually amazing. And this black is absolutely beautiful. It's called Lola. I definitely recommend this palette all the way. I love small makeup brushes for eye looks, like tiny little brushes like this. I mostly just use small brushes. I know fluffy brushes were a thing for a long time, and I still like them for fluffing the edges. Fluffing. Perfect, right? For a porn star look. I'm just gonna go in with the black straight away. Like, do you see how nice and dark and pigmented that is? The next thing I do is just wipe my brush to get off some of the product and go right in. I'm going to go right where the black meets the white and slowly start windshield wipering it so that it creates a soft blend or the start of one. And just remember, the first layer that you put down is the most important because you really want it to be packed on there and really dark so it doesn't crease or fade away as the night goes on. Because I know you'll be having fun in this makeup, trust me. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is add a little bit more of the white as the highlight and blend that into the black. And I think that's how you can skip the whole transition thing, by just blending the two colors. Blending one down and then up and then down. I think I'm going to go for a solid black lid. You could totally clean this up a little and add glitter there if you wanted. But I'm in the mood for really sultry today. Next I'm going to throw on a wing, and for that I'll be using Tarte eyeliner. So I really like to do the top of the wing first. I know that's kind of weird, but it helps me to know where I want it to start, and then I just kind of do it in like a swoop. And then I do the bottom. For mascara, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie Eyelash icing. Sorry if you hear a train going by. I live near a train. Alright, I'm going to add some eyeliner on my waterline. I love this headband because it reminds me of Miss Piggy and I love her. And then I'm going to use the Farsali Skintune Flare. My skin was actually looking a little rough today, and that's why I thought it would be a good time to film this actually. For concealer, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape and Fair. And I'm just going to mark off the highest points of my face and under my eye. My face is round, so I like to highlight through the center to narrow things up, but of course it depends on your face shape. For foundation, I'll also be using Tarte, the Amazonian Clay in Fair Sand. It's almost empty. I love this foundation and I go through it like nobody's business. And then I'm just going to place that in all the spots where the concealer doesn't go. Next is nose contour, which is one of my favorite parts about makeup. I go ham on nose contour, and this is my favorite. It's the Milk Makeup Bronzer in Baked. I'm gonna go and soften the sides. And I like to use foundation. Can I have a sip? Up next is setting powder. I'm gonna go for the Huda Beauty in Sugar Cookie. I do like to put it all over my face, but just a very light dusting. For contour, I'm gonna use this palette I've never used by Cover FX. It was actually a present from my sister. Oh, I love this. For blush, I'm going to use this Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. And I'm going to go for the peachy shade right here. Beautiful. For highlight, I'm going to use this new Anastasia Loose Highlighter. Oh my! Look at how beautiful the packaging is. I had no idea. Wow. It looks like liquid metal. That's crazy. Okay, now let's try it on the inner eye. Just gonna spray a little bit of setting spray. So I'm just gonna touch up a few of the things, like make sure the black blends are perfect and my eyebrows are perfect before I do my lips, because that'll be the last thing. I'm going to be using the Sugarpill lashes in Plush. These are some of my absolute favorites. And then for my bottom lash, I use these Pedali lashes. And for a lip liner today, I will be using MAC and Subculture. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Sephora liquid lipstick in the number 32. Now that the lipstick's dry, it's time for some lip gloss, and I love this Smashbox Gloss Angeles. It is so fucking shiny. Oh yeah. Oh, they're so juicy. And then last but not least is some glitter, because glitter is everything. And for the look we're going for, what would it be without it? So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb and How Many Carats. Can you see? I also love to use this on my collarbones. And I think that's it. Then after that, all you need to do is add on a little skimpy outfit and go have fun, party. I'm gonna go get changed and I'll be right back.